Hey, what's up everybody? I wanted to come at you and show you our new build that's happening here at the shop. It's actually Matt's truck. So take a look at this thing. There it is. Oh, you can see it just barely right there. God, this thing's freaking awesome. Here you go. Look at that.
I'm Matt with Ultimate Truck. This is my 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500 running Baja design lights, a spotlight, and an SAE. Yeah, I feel like that was kind of a cluster one. The fuel red Sabres on Mickey Thompson. Those are not Mickey Thompsons.
What's up guys? We're out here at the Monster Truck Nitro Tour here at the Mid-America Center. What's up? We are back again for the second annual CK Squared show down here at the Sarpy County Fairgrounds. Hey guys, we're back doing monster truck stuff today. So yeah, like I said, we're back here doing the Monster Truck Nitro Tour. All right, what is up everybody? I am running solo today for today's vlog. I'm actually gearing up to go to Colorado and run some of the trails up by the Alpine Loop. What's up everybody? Starting out the video today in Conifer, Colorado.
Alright guys, let's go see what Marty's doing. He decided to cook. For the last 3 days he's been making all types of food. Today he said, we're making food for you. So let's see what he brought in. So we got going on today. We have Marty chefing up, making some tacos. And I'm mad at him because he didn't use carne asada, the right meat. But whatever. Tacos are tacos. This is, which I do want to say, everything is store-bought. Nothing's freshly made.
Not going.
This is the only fresh thing we have. An onion.
Wow. So we are done with Chapman's truck. This is the final piece of the puzzle. I think he's gonna be happy with it. We've got the Addictive Desert Design Stealth Fighter rear bumper. Done. Dingo is done. Real quick, wanted to walk you guys around Flair's finished golf cart build. We got wheels and tires and wheels and tires and wheels and tires and wheels and tires and wheels and tires.
I think it really complemented the vehicle. If you look, take a closer look at these tires here, these wheels here, that red accent really matches well with what we got going on with the truck. So it's a nice build, it's a nice looking truck. And if you notice the license plate, El Karma, the Karma's back.
So we just finished up in the shop with this Suburban, possibly one of the cleanest 88 to 98 Suburbans that we've ever had come through the shop in quite some time. We did this lift probably about, I want to say about a year ago. Welcome to Shop Bob. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more future content. You got a little remote, just like that right there. And all you gotta do, hit open, automatically opens. Takes a minute. Sick.
Is 8:58, day one for the new Coates tire machine. Now we can do 24s without second guessing ourselves.
Well, it's about time that the Raminator is back in the shop.
Mom, come pick me up. I'm terrified.
So we just got done stuff, truck done stuff.
Raminator.
All right, so we just finished up.
Raminator.
The Ram is all finished. We finally got it out of the shop here.
Raminator.
I would just like to point out that he crawled underneath this when he could have just walked around.
I didn't think you'd have to take this whole bit. All right, well, let's hope you guys don't fall off the fucking window, because I'm getting fired if you do.
Raminator.
So today we've got Flair's truck in here as well.
All right, so this guy bet us that he can drink water the fastest.
Why do I need this?
So,
I don't know. They were sitting here, so I decided to give them back to you.
ready? Yeah.
Ready?
You guys ready?
3, 2, 1. Oh, I missed some.
That's how you win, boy.
I missed some at the bottom and let it back up.
Same. Gotta finish my Pringle first. Mr. Matt Melcher, one of our best delivery drivers, got me this for my birthday. They're pretty good. Honestly, never had the barbecue ones before.
Welcome back. This is Nate with Ultimate Truck. Fuck a truck. Rolling tonneau covers that we recommend. Fuck me. Ultimate Truck, and let me get you. Fuck! Just bought a brand new truck. This is fucking stupid. A brand new truck, and you're looking, motherfucker! Canvas material. God damn it, this mother come down anytime between. No, I don't like it. Come on down. Fuck! You just bought a brand new truck and you fucking suck. So I got a gun pointed at me and I'm supposed to do this video. Fuck you. Do you like it right here? Or what? Is it fine? How about America flags? Because there's a lot of shit that's been going on. Should we do? See, now I forgot what I was supposed to say. So you should buy a Pro X15 for your truck. I wasn't ready. We're gonna talk about the Truxedo. Fuck me, that's stupid. Is the Truxedo and God damn it, or more of a rubberized, God damn it. Our second product today, we got Husky floor liners, the exact contours, to be exact. That was stupid. That was stupid.